So here we are on a little test drive. First time out with the DJI 4 and using the Purple Panda mic. First time out after Christmas. It's a bit cold, not very nice out, but it'll do. Right, let's have a look. Let's go down here. This is sunny Bognor. So this is also an audio test to see if my microphone is working alright and not distorting too much. Later on we try the chest mount as well, just to see how that looks. Obviously I can't see exactly what I'm filming at the moment, so it might be, the angle might not be quite right, but we'll find all that out later on. Right, let's go down Hawthorne Road. There we go. It's quite cold out, but these trousers I got from Amazon seem quite warm, quite nice. It's a Sunday. Oh, some traffic lights here. Just checking that function's working. It seems to be alright. Right, we're off. I've got an ND8 neutral density filter on at the moment, and I've got a fixed shutter speed, which I believe is a 25th of a second. But I'll check that later on. Just trying to keep a note of all my settings for future reference. I'm going to go right up through here, down Hawthorne Road, and right up to the main road, I think. Don't want to tempt fate, but considering the scooter's not been out since before Christmas, not for a proper run anyway, she feels quite smooth. Battery was okay, fired up okay. Let's have a look. Here we are. Very busy out for Sunday. A bit sniffy, I've had a cold. Surprised I'm not coughing. Come up to the local shops for Bursted. Got a little bit of everything here. Fish and chips, Indian, Chinese takeaway just round the corner, hairdresser. I'm just trying to avoid the manhole covers at the moment. I'm a bit wet and slippery. Here's the famous Bognor Pink pub with the Royal Egg. And then back down Chalcroft Avenue. Right, I'm going to go back onto the estate here. Let's have a little look.